To use a polarized lens or to not use a polarized lens? That is the question. We've had a few customers contact us recently. They purchased the Vueroid D21 4K. They love it. They're happy with it. But they said, hey, sometimes I'm driving around at night or during the day, there's just a little too many reflections, just due to the fact of my radio or certain things that are on my dash. And I would like to find a way to actually limit that. It would actually make me very happy. So what we actually did is we actually took the ThinkWare polarized lens, the TWA-CPL, and we found that it actually worked. So we actually compiled a video here showing you two of the Vueroid dash cams. We actually put a D21 4K with a CPL filter and another D21 4K without a CPL filter into my Volkswagen ID4. And I've been running tests on this for a few weeks now. So feel free to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video quality difference between using a CPL filter or not using a CPL filter. Also, let me know, do you use a CPL filter? Is this something that you really love using? We'd love to hear from you. Love to get your feedback about it. Either way, if you do have a Vueroid and you were looking for one, this is a very low investment. They sell them for $24.99 Canadian and $19.99 in the US.